What's up, you guys? You might back again with another video. Today, I'm going to be reacting to Jake Weber, Mental Handcuffs. This is an old video, but it did, for some odd reason, pop up on my suggestions, I guess I would say, or YouTube feed. But it wasn't the video, it was a reaction, and I haven't heard this song, surprisingly. So I just wanted to react to it myself. So go through this journey with me. Um, but before I start the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, hit the post notification bell so you be notified when I post. Go to the description below, check out the links, social media, podcasts, all the other great stuff is down there. Leave a positive comment or a suggestion, and let's start the video. What the fuck was that? Why you niggas still red to the statements? Grandpa couldn't cook me a sticks. Dance on the beach, I don't care, niggas. I wanna be. Okay, see what we not from. Sorry. I don't know why, but Jake gives off Marilyn Manson vibes. He definitely gives off Marilyn Manson vibes. I am a walking zombie. Is this called normal? Be just like everybody. Hold on. I might actually like this. But I feel nothing at all. Lock me up into handcuffs. I'll shut the fuck up. Yes, doctor, I popped another. Is this what you want? Make me a people pleaser. Make me a billion. Oh, this is gonna be my song for 2022. Yep, I definitely like this. Cause who I am is wrong. Make me someone I am not. Lock me up mental handcuffs. I'll shut the fuck up. Yes, doctor, I popped another. Is this what you want? God, I'm made in your image. What kind of image is this? Yeah, honestly, what the hell? Ooh. And yes, these meds are helping. I'm getting I am a walking zombie. Is this going on? Damn, who's ever on the guitar? Chill. Lock me up into handcuffs. I'll shut the fuck up. Yes, Dr. Bob, another. Is this what you want? I actually like this. Honestly, this is what I'm going for 2022. Every single lyric is me. I'm not gonna fucking please people. That starts with my honest ass opinion that I know a lot of people don't like, but fuck off. Yeah, this is my anthem for 2022. Like, from now on, it's fuck how you feel. Cause I honestly no longer give a fuck. But yeah, that's the end of the video, you guys. Make sure to catch me next time. See you when I see you. Peace.
もしもし